Figure can be used for all of the math that you will encounter in algebra and beyond. Advanced features include complex numbers and common function identities. To input a function, make sure the expression is in edit mode and click the expand button to access the advanced keyboard. Common math functions such as trig functions and logarithms can be accessed using the Functions palette. Figure is a perfect tool for helping you with all of those difficult-to-remember trig identities. For example, let's try inputting a double-angle trig formula. Once the expression is entered, simply drag one of the variables outside of the function, and Figure will return the appropriate trig identity.